Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here, we have a NASCAR Authentics from the 2023 Wave 10. We have Daniel Suarez's PitBull Freeway Insurance Next Gen car. And on the back, you can get many cars like Kevin Harvick's Mobile 1 car, Denny Hamlin's 2023 car, Alex Bowman's Patriotic car. Oh, and be on the lookout for AJ Allmendinger's Gain Chase Piece car, which I forgot to say in my review of AJ Allmendinger. So looking at the car, it's just like the Freeway Insurance car that Daniel Suarez always drives in, but now you got PitBull. So I'm going to get Daniel Suarez out of the box, and I'll be right back to show you the car. Now that I've gotten the car taken out of the box, let's take a deeper look at Daniel Suarez's PitBull Freeway Insurance car. So first off, it looks a lot like the Freeway Insurance car that Daniel Suarez always drives, with the blue, the green number 99, with obviously the Trackhouse look of it. And obviously you got the Freeway Insurance car logo and the name. So I'm going to go with the hood first, because first off here, you got the co-owner of Trackhouse Racing, which is Justin Marks, and of course PitBull. And one thing that's nice though is about, of course, his name is there, but the Trackhouse, it's like graffiti all over it, which it is graffiti, but it looks so cool. And on the background of PitBull, you can see the town or the city of Nashville right behind it, which I think is amazing, other than the Freeway Insurance logo right here. But overall, the hood is amazing. And on the side of the car, you got his name, PitBull. And of course, you got PitBull himself. And of course, one thing I forgot to mention is that he is wearing a Trackhouse logo jacket, which is pretty nice though. You can see the little Trackhouse logo there. And of course, you got more of the Trackhouse graffiti-like logo look. And on the side here, you got Quaker State. And one thing about the spoiler though too is that it's now light green instead of black, which I think it does go well with the car. You got ComScope, his name, Daniel Suarez. Symes, Coca-Cola, Chevrolet. I forgot on the side here, you got the NASCAR Salutes program and the NASCAR 75th anniversary logo. I think the Salutes program is on there because of, well, this car was ran during in Dover in the 2023 season. Which overall, not a bad car. Actually, I think it's a great looking car. So that will conclude today's video. Well guys, thanks for watching this episode, and many more episodes will come out soon. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.